As a young kid, I always wanted to be a Mountie. No, it's serious. I was serious. I really. The agreements between our business councils, I think, is very, very important, and I commend our business leaders in achieving this progress. So, Prime Minister, thank you very much. I also was received very well by your Governor General, and I hope to host you in Indonesia. And I really admire Canada. As a young kid, I always want.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.